best project management software in 2021. Hey guys, today I'm going to be taking a deep dive into which is the best project management software, Monday.com versus Asana, and how they both stack up. So let's get into it. Before I actually discuss the pricing, I'm going to show you guys the workspaces that both Monday.com and Asana provide, and then we're going to take a look at the pricing, and I'm going to give you my personal opinion at the end on which one you should choose. So first off, over here we have our workspace on Monday.com. You can see this is going to be your main workspace. Over here, you can see your favorite workspaces. So if you're sharing a workspace with other teammates, you're going to be able to see that over here. Below that, you will have your dashboard. So your basic projects are going to be present here. And if you click on one, it's going to open it. This is the main table view provided on Monday.com. And now we're going to take a look at Asana. So this is what Asana looks like. If you take a look at the left side, you can see your dashboards over here. And let's just take a look at the sales planning dashboard. This is what the dashboard at Asana will look like. This is the overview. Here you will have a board view of the sales or whatever kind of project. This is going to be a list view. You also get a timeline view, but you will have to use it on the premium plan. You can't use it on the free plan. Next up, you have your calendar view and a basic dashboard. There are also messages, forms, and files on a singular board on Asana. In many regards, Monday.com is the same. So you can see this is the basic view. You will have timeline views, table views. You will also have calendar views if you want those. I'm just going to let you guys know in this regard, they are pretty alike. They don't have many differences in this area. Next up, you will have your notifications. On Monday.com, this is the notification panel. It just pops up. Below that, you will have your personal inboxes, apps. You can see your current weekly progress for yourself. You can also invite team members, search everything. So if you're looking for anything specific that might be long gone in the past, you can find that over here. Below that, you have your help, and then you have your account settings. On Asana, you can see on the left, you have your homepage. Below that, you have your personal tasks. So whatever you are doing on your own, whatever you have added for your own tasks, or whatever is assigned to you. Below that, you have your inbox. Below that, you have your reporting, so you can actually get analytics over here. Just like Monday.com, this is a paid feature. Below that, you have your portfolio, so you can monitor the key initiatives of your team's capacity with the portfolios available and the kind of workflow that has been given out by those team members. And below that, you have your goals. So Asana is really a goal and productivity driven software. A lot of the things are going to be presented in a manner that will focus more on the task and the productivity of the team rather than the individual. However, on Monday.com, you get a bit more leeway in terms of productivity. Things are obviously, you can make them productivity centered or timeline centered, but things usually look a bit more project centered on where the project is going rather than where the productivity is going. So that was a general look at both of their workspaces. So you get a good idea on what kind of visual aspects that both of them will provide. Now I'm going to show you the templates that both of these softwares provide, because these are very important. If you're just wanting to get started right now and in this moment, you might want to use a template and to just get up and running. And the template that you use is going to be of great value to you, because you're going to have to work on that for the next however long the project is going to last. So over here you can see you can click on new projects on Asana, you can click on use a template, and you can take a look at the different kinds of templates that are available. So there aren't many, but just taking a look, let's just say we are taking a look at the company goals and milestones. So we are just going to use this template, keep it just as it is, just to show you guys how the basic template will look without any changes. And this is what it looks like. So it's very simple, it's very neat, but it's really not that appealing to the eye, I must say. It looks kind of dull in certain times. So if you're working on it all the time, it might look a bit more dull than you might. But on Monday.com, let's just create a new board. You're just gonna click on the left side, you're gonna click on add, and then you're gonna click on new board. You're going to select what you're managing in this board. So let's just say we are managing creatives in this board. You are going to create the board, and here you go. You have this board, and the overall general appeal of the boards on Monday.com is a lot more than Asana. So even if you were to create a new workspace on Monday.com, like let's create a new workspace, just by clicking on add workspace, you have a new workspace that is completely separate from your other one. And if you just create a board over here, you can see all the available templates, so you can browse them by category, and there are a lot more options compared to Asana, which has just a set standard of like 5 to 10 options available. However, even on the free version of Monday, you get a lot of different kinds of templates. So if you're working in marketing, content production, project management, docs, sales, CRM, operations, whatever. So let's just take a look at the software development kind of templates that are available. You can see there are 6 templates available in this specific category. Let's just use this one just to show you guys a look of the different templates on Monday. So over here, you can see that this template has been applied. This is what it looks like. You can see the release plan. You can see the scheduling, the releases, and you can add people, you can add more boards and customize it according to whatever you're doing. This is just going to be the template as soon as you apply it, and once you fill it in, customize it, it's gonna look a whole lot better. I'm not saying that Asana is not that appealing to everyone. I think some people prefer the neat and clean look, but personally, I think Monday.com actually handles the visual aspect a whole lot better. Moving on, you've seen both of their workspaces and how both of them look. Now let's take a look at the price, which is a very, very detrimental factor to your choice. So Monday.com does have a individual free program, which is $0, so it's free, but you only have a team. You can only create a team of up to 3 people. So if you have more than 3 people, you won't be able to use this for free, which is pretty disappointing. However, Asana also has a basic free platform, which is a whole lot cheaper and allows more people to use singular workspace compared to Monday.com. So it will provide you with unlimited essentials. You will get 3 project views. You will get basic workflows. You will get free integrations with over 100 apps. You will get reporting. You will get security essentials and community support. Monday.com really does not provide all of that. It only provides you with 3 people, 200 templates, and just unlimited boards and docs, but the security features, the workflow features, the reporting features on Asana outdo Monday. So if you're just someone that's an individual and you just want a project management software for your own basic needs, I think you could go for Monday.com. But if you're willing to use the free plan to get started and you have a larger team and security is of key to you, and you also need kind of good analytics. You know, that's what I said. Asana is a productivity driven software. So if productivity and deadlines and all that really is essential to your teamwork, you should definitely go for Asana. But if you're working alone, you don't really need to monitor anyone else's productivity, go for Monday.com. Now, taking a look at their price tier programs, you have the premium version on Asana, which is $11 if it is billed annually, but it's actually $13.50 if it's billed monthly. On Monday.com, you can see there are actually 3 paid programs. However, on Asana, there are only 2. So Asana actually keeps it simple, just like their templates. But Monday has a bit more variability. The basic plan is $8 a month, and it's only going to cost you $24 if you bill it annually. It does provide you with 5 gigabytes of file storage, and you also get prioritized customer support, but I would really doubt that because their customer support is alright. I'm not saying it's bad, but it's okay. You can contact them via email, but they don't have 24/7 hour customer support. So if that is essential to you, you might want to reconsider the software that you're using for your project management. Also, you can only create a dashboard based on one board. So if you want all of your different kinds of boards to be summarized in a singular dashboard, you can't do that even on the basic plan on Monday.com. However, Asana provides you with unlimited essentials. You get 4 project views. You also get automated workflows. So automation is pretty key right now. And for someone, if you're doing repetitive tasks, you might not want to add each single task that is very tedious. You can automate the workflow. You also get reporting, you get custom fields, advanced search, and milestones. You get scaled security, and you also get customer support. If we were to even compare this with the Monday.com standard program, which is billed at $10 a month, but it's billed $30 if you bill it annually, it only provides you with calendar views, guest access. It provides you with around 250 automations per month. However, on the premium version of Asana, you get preset rules with unlimited actions and forms. So you have unlimited automation almost on Asana, compared to Monday, which only provides you with 250 actions per month. So that can run out very easily if you're working on a larger project. You can also integrate only 250 actions per month on Monday.com. However, on Asana, the integration is also unlimited. On the Standard Plus or Pro, you can say there are private boards and docs, you get chart view, you get formula columns, you get dependency columns on Monday, you get 25,000 actions of automations and integrations. But on the business version of Asana, you get a lot more compared to Monday. So you're going to get advanced workflow, reporting, scaled security, you're going to get unlimited custom rules and dynamic forms, and you also get 4 project views, portfolios, and goals. So if I was to say what project management software is going to provide you the value for money, I would say it's Asana. Maybe it's going to have a larger learning curve for you. Maybe you're going to have to make it look pretty, and the addition to the workflow and the overall look will take a bit time to get used to, but it's going to provide you a whole lot bang for your buck. But Monday.com is good, it's pretty. If you just want to get up and running right now at this moment and you're working alone, go for Monday, but it's alright for you. If you have the time to spend a week on setting your projects up on Asana, but actually having a good workflow and good management, then go for Asana. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will catch you guys in the next one.